Environmental issues and sustainability increasingly sit at the forefront of everyone's lives. As professionals here in Momentum, we're dedicated to urban design and transport.
Good public realm environments encourage more sustainable living. They promote safe, green and accessible areas with people-centred space to breathe in busy urban environments and promote pedestrian priority and movement.
Public realm obviously isn't just about providing a backbone of vibrant communities, though obviously they allow for that. They're really about people and not just the fit and able to walk, cycle and move more freely. They also provide opportunities to do things like treat water before they get into our sewers, help mitigate and reduce the amount of sewage discharging into our rivers. So the Nova area in Victoria is a really great example of positive public realm development. It's been a 10-year process to incrementally convert a really unpleasant, hectic urban environment into a really enjoyable, pedestrian-friendly area. It's particularly special for Momentum. Nova was one of our really early schemes at the beginning of the company. It's been really rewarding to push forward and see its growth over that time.
The Victoria area has been utterly transformed by the Nova project into a hustling, bustling, people-focused destination. It's been great to see the pedestrianisation of huge areas of carriageway, the provision of pedestrian connections, new seating and planting, revamped cycle infrastructure, and new public transport routing. A huge amount of work has gone into converting this from what was previously a very car-dominated and quite unpleasant environment.
So extensive collaboration has really been the key to the area's success, including with developer Landsec, highway and planning authorities at Westminster, TfL, the architects and the contractors. We've worked with major stakeholders, including the Victoria Palace Theatre, the Duke of York, and supported them with their requirements and their deliveries and their servicing. We coordinated with London Underground as they built the new Victoria Station Underground entrance. And we've really built on long-term relationships, which have been vital in producing the high-quality environments that you see in Victoria today.
It's really exciting to see more public realm developments in city environments, especially with more councils and more developers with the appetite and capacity to help implement them. They contribute massively to a sense of place and community in urban environments and go a huge way to driving footfall and active travel.
So a big consideration of successful public realm space is providing areas which encourage both place and movement. So improving pedestrian links into and across the area, placement of cycle facilities and cycle parking in the right places, removing where we can motorised traffic, including bus traffic when it's appropriate to do that, managing delivery and servicing, thinking about set times where we can prioritise deliveries to one point and prioritise people-focused space to another. Balancing competing elements goes a really long way to realising not only the social, but the economically successful and therefore sustainable development of public realm.
Another key component is spaces that consider the long term. A lot of thought has to go into proofing these environments, and we put a lot of work into our designs to make them last for future generations and avoid them being ripped up 5 to 10 years down the line.
We're always exploring opportunities to develop further high quality environments. That includes embracing individual e-mobility whilst managing how bikes and scooters impact on spaces. It's about thinking about last mile logistics using cargo bikes, consolidation strategies. It's things like thinking about taking up hard landscaping in favour of sustainable urban drainage and soft landscaping and planting to again improve river quality and lower heat island effects of our cities.
Collectively, we all have the responsibility to create exceptional public spaces that support urban development. These settings really enrich the lives of residents, of workers, of visitors, and they go a huge way to driving economic growth, social growth, and environmental growth in city environments.